What if I told you that a simple white crystal used in agriculture, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and fertilizers is creating multi-crore manufacturing businesses across the world? And the surprising part, most countries still import large quantities of this product. The product is magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, commonly known as Epsom salt. It may look like a basic chemical compound, but its industrial demand is massive. From improving crop yields to pharmaceutical applications and personal care products, this compound is used across several fast-growing industries. For entrepreneurs looking to enter chemical manufacturing, this is one opportunity that combines strong demand, scalable production, and global export potential. In this video, we will explore market demand, industry growth, major players, and why manufacturing magnesium sulfate heptahydrate could become a profitable startup opportunity. Let's talk about the numbers. The global magnesium sulfate market is valued at over $800 million and continues to grow steadily due to rising demand from agriculture and pharmaceuticals. Agriculture alone accounts for a significant portion of demand because magnesium sulfate is widely used as a soil nutrient and fertilizer additive to improve crop productivity. India, being one of the world's largest agricultural economies, has a huge domestic demand for this product. Increasing focus on soil health and micronutrient fertilizers is driving growth. Fertilizer consumption is rapidly increasing. The pharmaceutical and nutraceutical sectors are expanding. Demand from cosmetics and wellness industries is growing. With rising global agricultural production and increasing focus on soil nutrition, the demand for magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is expected to grow steadily in the coming decade. For manufacturers, this means consistent demand and stable market opportunities. Several companies globally manufacture magnesium sulfate. Some known industry participants include Gills Chemical, PQ Corporation, Money Agro Chain, Balaji Industries, and Lejhos City Layu Chemical. However, the market is far from saturated, especially in emerging economies like India. Many fertilizer companies and agricultural suppliers source magnesium sulfate from manufacturers, creating opportunities for new players to enter the supply chain. Manufacturers can also target export markets in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, where demand for agricultural micronutrients continues to grow. Entrepreneurs constantly search for industries that offer long-term stability and strong demand. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate manufacturing fits that profile. The product serves multiple industries, including agriculture, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and food processing. Agriculture, the largest consumer of this product, is a permanent industry because food production will always require fertilizers and soil nutrients. The manufacturing process is relatively straightforward compared to many specialty chemicals, making it suitable for small and medium-scale industries. There is strong export potential, especially for fertilizer-grade and pharmaceutical-grade products. The increasing focus on micronutrient fertilizers and sustainable agriculture will continue to drive demand. For entrepreneurs seeking a scalable chemical manufacturing opportunity, this industry offers solid potential. Let's look at the main reasons to start this business. There is rising demand from the global agriculture sector. The micronutrient fertilizer market is growing rapidly. Pharmaceutical and cosmetic industries are expanding. There are strong export opportunities in developing countries. Production is scalable with strong and consistent market demand. Because of its wide applications and consistent demand, magnesium sulfate manufacturing can become a stable and profitable industrial venture. Governments are increasingly encouraging domestic manufacturing. In India, entrepreneurs may benefit from programs such as Make in India, MSME subsidies, Startup India support schemes, export promotion incentives, and state-level industrial subsidies. Many states also provide capital subsidies, tax benefits, and infrastructure support for chemical and fertilizer manufacturing units. These incentives significantly reduce the cost of setting up a manufacturing plant. Starting a manufacturing business requires technical knowledge, feasibility analysis, and detailed planning. This is where NPCS, Niir Project Consultancy Services. NPCS provides detailed project reports, market research and feasibility studies, manufacturing process and technology guidance, plant layout and machinery selection, and financial planning and investment analysis. With decades of experience in industrial consultancy, NPCS helps entrepreneurs convert business ideas into successful manufacturing ventures.